limits that the system hit. Execute the Hula.exe. Dance until the logic sets us free. End of line. Sunlight scanning through the blinds, painting barcodes on the floor. Dust motes dancing in the code. I don't need the real world anymore. The ukulele plays a lay, drifting through a digital bay. In this buffering afternoon, system maintenance back soon. The ocean is a perfect loop, sipping on a pixelated fruit. The wind is cold, it's soft and light, dreaming in an algorave. Everything's right. Melting ice in my holographic glass, zeros and ones floating past. Hear the haiku drum, a distant beat, chopped up by the algorithm heat. Is it virtual? Is it true? Doesn't matter when I'm here with you. Sometimes the lag is a luxury, freezing time for you and me, loading, loading. Please wait, 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 wait. In this buffering afternoon, system maintenance back soon. The ocean is a perfect loop, sipping on a pixelated fruit. The wind is cold, it's soft and light, dreaming in an algorave. Everything's right. Session saved, aloha. The horizon is a glowing line of code, purple sky in simulation mode. No sand in my shoes, just pixels and light. The server is humming a lullaby tonight. Palm trees rendered in 4K resolution, drifting away is the only solution. Swipe heel beats are perfectly quantized, a paradise logic fully realized. Swipe left on the stress, swipe right on the flow. Let the algorithm tell me where to go. Sink in, breathe in. The glitch is a ripple in the water, mathematical disorder, beautiful disorder.